तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं इनोवेटिव यूनिवर्सिटी में मौजूद हूँ। इनोवेटिव यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज ये वो यूनिवर्सिटी है जो आपको स्टाइपेंड दे रही है, इंटर्नशिप की अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड कर रही है, होटल आपको फ्री मिलेगा, जो अकोमोडेशन है वो भी प्रोवाइड करेगी, आपको मील्स और यूनिफॉर्म मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपने इधर पैसे लगा कर आना है, वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट है, दूसरे तीसरे साल आपने कोई भी फीस नहीं देनी। मेरे साथ इनोवेटिव यूनिवर्सिटी के इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट के मार्केटिंग डायरेक्टर मौजूद हैं। आपको ये बात मैं कंफर्म भी इनसे करवाऊंगा। ओके, हेलो मिस्टर मेजर, हाउ आर यू?
Good, I'm good.
Okay, we have some questions for the students related to the WBL, work-based learning programs here in hotel management and culinary arts in Malaysia. First of all, tell me what are the benefits like accommodation, stipend to our students?
Okay, so I hold this one.
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I'm Major Yus. They used to call me Major Yus. I'm the Director of International Student Office in IUC or Innovative University College. We have the special program called Work-Based Learning. We're focusing on the hotel management. We have diploma and also bachelor. All the hotels that want to join this program, collaborate in this program, we put the requirement for them to fulfill, to agree with four requirement. The first one is a student will be provided with the complete uniform. Second thing is the duty meal. So student will get their duty meals. And then third one is hostel. So by joining this program, student are not to worry about their hostel because all the hotel will provide their basic hostel. No basic hostel. Need to understand basic hostel is not the guest hotel concept, but the basic hostel only, right?
All basic.
Yeah, basic facility will be provided. Basically, they are not going to sleep in the tent. No, it's a hostel. And then the fourth one is student will be provided with the transportation arrangement, either with transport or transport allowance, if their hostel is not within walking distance. So all those things, all the hotel need to provide to join this program.
ओके, जैसा कि आपने सुना है कि होटल भी प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, अकोमोडेशन मिलेगी, बेसिक आपको फैसिलिटीज मिलेंगी, ट्रांसपोर्ट भी प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, उसके अलावा यूनिफॉर्म भी मस्ट है और ड्यूटी मील्स, जब बच्चा ड्यूटी पे होगा उसको 2 टाइम का खाना भी प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा। मंथली स्टाइपेंड भी मिलेगा जिसकी अमाउंट 800 से 1300 रिंगिट होगी पर मंथ आपको ये मिलेगा। तो ये गोल्डन पैकेज है। और अब इस पे सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट ये है कि सेकंड और थर्ड ईयर आपने कोई फीस नहीं देनी, ना वीजा रिन्यूअल की भी फीस नहीं है। ओके मेजर, यू सी काइंडली एक्सप्लेन दैट देयर इज नो फीस in second and third year. Only student have to pay the first year fees out of his pocket, and there is no fees of visa renewal.
All right. Basically, for this program, student need to pay only the upfront payment. What are those upfront payment? Is the EMGS payment, of course. This EMGS payment is for the visa process, and then second one is the application fee and also registration fee, and the final one is the first year tuition fee. So basically, all those students need come out from their own pocket money, including the first year tuition fee. Depends to the program. If diploma is 8,000 ringgit, while for the bachelor is 10,000 ringgit. That's the only amount cost of money that student need to come out from their own pocket money. Because other payments like renewal of yearly visa, convocation fee included also, and then a second year or third year tuition fee, all those payment will be deduct from their monthly allowance. Because all those students that come here to join this program, they were eligible for the allowance since their first month been deployed to the hotel. So from that allowance, we will deduct those payments. No other hidden payment other than that. Right?
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम मेजर। तो जैसे कि आपने सुन लिया, अगर तो आप इस प्रोग्राम में अप्लाई करवाना चाहते हैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है। अप्लाई करने के लिए नंबर बायो में मेंशन है। थैंक यू सो मच।